Today, we're diving into the Cleanup app tool that promises to help you tidy up your digital life. But is it really worth the download? Let's explore what it offers and if it lives up to the hype. The Cleanup app is designed to help users declutter their devices by identifying and removing unnecessary files, duplicates, and other digital clutter. At its core, it aims to streamline your storage and improve your device's performance. The user interface is straightforward, making it accessible for both tech-savvy individuals and those who might be less experienced. One standout feature is its ability to scan for duplicate files across multiple formats, which can be a game changer for anyone who has a lot of photos or documents. However, some users might find the initial scan takes longer than expected, especially if you have a lot of data. While the app is intended for a broad audience, including casual users and professionals, some functionalities like advanced file management may feel a bit limited for power users. There are also areas where the app lacks depth, such as detailed explanations of what files are safe to delete, which could leave some users feeling uncertain. So, what are the pros and cons? On the positive side, Cleanup is user-friendly and does a solid job of identifying duplicates and unnecessary files, which can free up significant storage space. It's also visually appealing and straightforward to navigate. However, there are some drawbacks. The scanning process can be lengthy, which might frustrate users who just want quick results. Additionally, the app lacks transparency in some areas. For example, it doesn't clearly explain why certain files are flagged for deletion. This could lead to trust issues for users who are cautious about losing important data. Those with extensive file collections may find it a bit limiting, while casual users looking for a straightforward cleanup might benefit the most. In conclusion, the Cleanup app is a decent option for those wanting to declutter their devices without too much hassle. If you're a casual user, it's worth trying out. However, if you're more advanced and need robust features, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a mixed bag but has potential